Hi guys, I'm Jade Beeson and I'm a YouTube partner. With hard work, effort and some creativity, we believe that everyone can reach partner status. So, to help you on your journey, we've pulled together some essential tips from YouTube partners.
Start with what you have. I was filming on my iPhone in my kid's nursery.
The great thing is now you don't have any barrier to entry.
Just go for it. You never know where you're going to land.
Because I was new, the best that I could do was to use the resources that I had at the moment and create as many videos as possible and eventually improve the quality and content.
What I really found was that people who connect with the audience through the camera, who are able to establish rapport and kind of get to know their audience in a way, their channels did better.
It is so important to read and answer as many comments as you can.
Because it's a community, so if people are leaving you questions right after your video, make sure you just give them a heart to know that you've at least seen the comment and you're acknowledging them.
I like interaction, I like engagement, whether good or bad, because it gives me an idea. A lot of my content is around negativity and turning it into positivity.
There are so many benefits to using all different types of formats of video on YouTube.
If I were to compare live streaming versus pre-recorded VODs, the benefits can be found depending on your creativity style and your engagement style. I was mostly doing pre-recorded edited VODs, and I noticed that my live streams were doing way better viewership-wise. So that's when we made the shift, and instead of streaming like once a week, I bumped up to 4 times a week.
The Shorts feature is really great on helping you grow your audience and reach more people. Long-form videos allow a user to really get an idea of who you are.
I know that you're strong. I know that you're capable. I know that you can do anything you set your mind to.
I love collaborations. Collaborating with somebody means that their audience is gonna get to see you and your audience is gonna get to see them. So that exchange can create beautiful things.
There are sections underneath your YouTube Analytics page in your creative studio that actually can help you find the creators that share the same audiences as you.
Reach out with an idea. Make it easy for them to work with you.
Search engine optimization. Very important. Basically, terms, keys, phrases, words you can write around, in, or even say in your video that when people search up the term, your video will pop up. Your descriptions are a lot more of a helpful tool for your SEO than I think a lot of people understand. A thumbnail is a small preview into what people are going to click on.
If it's eye-catching, if it's exciting, if it is invoking some sort of curiosity, and it will make people want to click on it more.
It's always important to balance the data with the art with the intention of creating the best content possible on the platform.
I'm always wary of chasing my audience and trying to figure out what they want. Usually, I am putting out videos that I want to see. However, you need to kind of cater to the people watching your videos because they're the ones watching it, and find a middle ground. The analytics will tell you what's going on. It's kind of a health barometer for your channel. I think it's really important for most people to really let their personality kind of shine through in their videos. Even if you're not on camera, the audio or just the style, it just needs to come through as you and be authentic.
Creating a deep connectivity between you and your audience is very important to grow a brand. And so adding those personal details into your life, it humanizes you as a person. And I feel like connectivity, specifically in these times, are very important.
Have fun and be you.